Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to show you two exciting subscriptions. One is the Wix Wax Candle of the Month Club and the other is the Shabby Lane t-shirt of the Month Club. If you are not familiar with Wix Wax, it is a candle, everything that makes your house smell good company. Amy is the owner, she runs it, makes everything, and has such creative ideas. You should check out the website, I'll leave the link below. You'll be surprised at some of the fun things that you can get as a one-time purchase, but also how many subscription clubs that she has available. This membership is $16.95 a month. You will get a 16-ounce candle. They are all handmade. They will burn at least 80 hours. I know my little ones I get burn for days. I use them several days and they go and go and go. I burn them when I'm at home working from home and love those. That you also get, the scent that you get is not available outside the club, and you will get exclusive access to members only perks as well as a member of the Candle of the Month Club. So I'm excited to check and see what this month's scent is. I haven't peeked, so I'm going to check and see with you guys. Let's see what we got. So in the box we have a little sticker that says thank you. We have our actual candle box surrounded by tissue paper, so it's very well packed. And I'm excited to see what our fragrance is. The candle inside is also packed in tissue paper, so Amy does a great job with packaging. I've gotten several candles. I have never had anything come broken, so I love it. This one is called Morning Bliss. I'm curious to see what Morning Bliss smells like. It's kind of vanilla-y and nutty. I might have to check out the website and see if it has the scent profile for more details. But it's very warm and inviting, just the kind of smell you want in the mornings. And you can see they're hand poured. You've got your single wick candle in a glass jar, really beautiful jars, metal lids that you can use. You can reuse these if you like to pour your own candles or just like to use glass jars for keeping stuff in. Once you finish your candles, if you turn them upside down in a slightly warm oven, maybe on a cooling rack with some paper towels underneath, it'll melt the wax that remains in there if there's any out of there, and you can just clean it off and you're good to go. You could use a cookie pie plate or something that's disposable if you don't want to put it in a cookie sheet. But great idea to reuse your jars. At least recycle it if you don't reuse it. So that is our Wix Wax Candle of the Month Club. I encourage you to check out the website. Again, I will leave that link below. There's always a coupon on there as well. I will leave it in my link for 50% off your first subscription. So check it out. You can't go wrong with half off. The next one I want to show you is the Shabby Lane subscription t-shirt of the Month Club. If you are not familiar with Shabby Lane, it is a t-shirt of the Month Club you'll get. Everybody gets the same t-shirt. You get to choose your size, and it also comes with a free gift. So far, it's been jewelry items, accessory items that will go really well with the t-shirts. So I'm excited to see what this month's gift is. This club is $22.95 a month, and again, a t-shirt and a free gift each month. Oh, okay, so this month's theme is I Choose Joy. It's a really pretty teal t-shirt. Oh, you guys, I see the free gift. I'm in love. Okay, hold on, let me get it open. Okay, the t-shirt, I'm going to show you the t-shirt first. And the t-shirts are super soft. I love it. The t-shirt also says, today I choose joy. And who doesn't need a reminder these days to choose joy? Any day of the week, any day of the month, any day of the year, you need to choose joy. There's always something out there trying to steal your joy, and it's our choice to let it. And I choose to keep my joy. So I'm excited for this shirt. The gift that comes with it is this beautiful necklace that matches the t-shirt. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it. Everything is so well coordinated. It's going to match. It says it has a little card that she includes as well. And this says, friend, I hope you're able to choose joy on most days. On the harder days, find a quiet moment to reflect and look forward to the better days ahead. The simpler things can still bring us lots of happiness. Wishing you many days filled with much joy and peace. And it always says, I'm so grateful for you. Because of us, she gets to do what she loves. And so this is from Catherine. This little note is from Catherine, who is the Shabby Lane lady. So the necklace is a nice long chain and that beautiful turquoise teal color pendant. And this is a cubic zirconia, so it's gonna look nice and be pretty for a while. But again, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, you guys. I'm gonna try to get it all together. Again, beautiful, beautiful combination. The necklace, the t-shirt, super soft. Absolutely love it. Try to do anything you can to keep your joy. So this is the reminder. That's the haul for today. We got our Wix Wax Candle and our Shabby Lane t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave the link for Shabby Lane in the description box below as well. I encourage you to check that one out. Shabby Lane and Wix Wax are two really great companies. I love getting subscriptions for things that are encouraging and uplifting and fun. I just love these two subscriptions. I hope you do too. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for joining me on Meth and Boxes. Bye-bye.